Welcome to another episode of the Wong Reviewer. In today's episode, we're going to unbox and do an initial impressions of the Corsair HS60 Pro surround sound gaming headset. As you're watching, if you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for similar content. A big selling point for me was the compatibility with other gaming systems. I have a PS4 and Nintendo Switch, and happy I don't have to have separate headsets for those consoles. Currently for my PS4, I am just using an old set of headphones provided to me from my Samsung Galaxy Note 10. Some of the highlights of the box contains 50mm neodymium audio drivers, noise cancelling unidirectional microphone, and a 7.1 surround sound with a USB adapter. Let's get to unboxing it. Yes, I agree, it's a bit of an overkill to use my benchmade Super Freek to open up the box. Overall, the packaging is very nice. It comes with your standard warranty card. Also comes with the HS60 Pro surround sound manual. As you can see, I clearly read it. Who am I kidding? I'm just checking that right into the recycling. Here's the overall first look at the HS60 Pro gaming headset. I like the black color with the yellow accents around the headband and along the ear cushions. It has the Corsair sailing ship logo on each side. I'm glad it's black to match the sides. Again, the yellow accents along the outer ear is a nice touch. The accessories included in the package: the USB adapter for the 7.1 surround sound. It's a standard 3.5mm to USB adapter. No drivers need to be installed for the surround sound function to work on your desktop PC. It comes with a microphone cover, and a flexible microphone itself that attaches to the gaming headset. I'm just going to attach the microphone to the gaming headset. The installation is very easy as it only goes in one way. I found it pretty secure after I connected it, and I'm not concerned at all it's going to come out during gameplay or in use. I'm also going to attach the microphone cover over it as well. And now I'm going to connect the 3.5mm to USB adapter to enable the Windows surround sound feature. Overall, the cushion on the headband is nice and thick. There is some give to it. I'll provide some feedback after I wear it for an extended time to see if it pinches my head, or I can start feeling the plastic piece of the headband. The arms holding the cushions are plastic and it seems robust. The cushions are nice and thick. I wear glasses and I hope it doesn't pinch my ears after wearing it for too long, which is a common issue I have with other headphones where it starts getting uncomfortable after wearing it for over 15 to 20 minutes. Here's a closer look at the details of the Corsair H60 Pro. So some of the coloring, the accent, the yellow accents, the headband. So another look at what it looks like. Corsair has something called iCUE software that you can download to help set up your headphone. I'll put a link in the description below on where to get that download from. So here's the Corsair support. I'm going to click on Corsair H60 Pro. I'm going to skip that email address. I'm going to download the file, hit save, and then I'm going to install the iCUE software onto my desktop. So here's the setup. I'm just going to hit OK. Welcome to Corsair setup. I'm going to hit next. I'm going to accept the agreement, hit next. And I'm going to install the software. I just sped up the timeline just so that was quicker. The final step of the install process is to restart your computer, which I'm going to do right now. I've restarted my computer and now I'm checking to see if Windows recognizes the HS650, and I can see that it has automatically turned on the spatial sound setting. Now I'm going to open up the iCUE software from Corsair and select the headset. It doesn't allow me to see the EQ presets as it's defaulted to Windows spatial sound setting. I'm going to turn off the Windows spatial sound settings so I can see the different EQs and try them out. So right click on the speaker and I'm going to turn off the sound setting, and again it's still giving me the same error saying that the Windows spatial sound is enabled. To turn off the spatial sound, right click on the sound icon, open sound settings, select the output for the gaming headset, at the tabs, select spatial sound, select off, and hit apply. The iCUE software now allows you to select one of the EQ presets, or you can create your own. It has EQ presets for pure direct, movie theater, FPS competition, cleared chat, and bass boost. So after using the headset for a week, in part 2 video, I'll explain spatial sound and why I turned it off for gaming. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe, and until next time.